Okay. Who are you going with?
Lindy, those are some nice sunglasses. So where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going right now?
Anyone else? Bryce, will you shut my door?
We are going to the rodeo. We totally take the 202.
Okay.
Yeah, we take the.
All right, Lindy, what are we doing?
Going to the radio.
We're going to the rodeo! It's the whole gang. We're all here. Oh, hey. 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 Hey, let's get a Hey. Oh, yeah. Get it, Brandon. Ooh. What do you guys see?
Look at all the cows and ponies.
Oh, my goodness. So exciting. The whole gang. Go, Shane, go. Mallory, what do you think of these horses?
Well, I don't know.
How about a little American flag?
Jake, who are we here with? Shane, show us this cool invention. Whoa, he's already getting out.
Here they come. He has reversed last night's hitch. He has 3 on the lead. This is for you.
They love this song, are we, Brandon?
Then you jump right back on it.
No way! They're driving
They
away!
travel as a family. Extreme Mustang Makeover. He was a champion last year with the fan favorite. And now, this year is 27. All right, let's make that a good turn on number 2. Fun. How about it for Mr. Luke? Come as well. She will have a penalty. Let's take her back. It is 1 and 2. I'll get it shot. Zeke, Davey, Kelsey, Bang.
That was
If you please.
awesome! Well, it's been a fun evening.
Yep, rodeo's awesome. Oldest one in the world. It was an awesome evening.
Yep, fun time.
And now we're just heading back to the cabin.
I really enjoyed the halftime show.
Yeah, all the little halftime interlude shows were like super high quality.
My favorite was when the horse drove off in the car.
He was driving
No,
in a
he
car.
wasn't driving. He was sitting in the car.
But that's still pretty impressive.
It was. I want a horse in the back of my car, but not the horse poop. It's been a fun time at the rodeo.
Thanks for joining.
Bye.
Okay, jump on my hat now.
Those are such good faces. Can you make some more?
Oh. Okay, let's do another.
Oh, are you bringing a friend to show and tell? Ooh. Yeah?
Now
Oh,
come
look.
ahead. Come back.
Oh, wow. Should we make it roar?
Oh no.
That
Take the flower and then there you go straight. Okay.
lovely. That.
Yeah.
Nice
We got
job.
Jake
Good
and
job.
Lindy playing up there. Oh, oh, that's so cool.
Super flower field. You know, for a secret
What?
location.
Oh,